chasing dreams beneath the sun. Palm trees and ponies, a sparkling pool, a day in Scottsdale where life feels cool. The rhythm of sunshine, it carries me to this desert paradise, wild and free. Cactus blooms wear crowns of gold, stories of the desert timeless and bold. The pool reflects a sapphire gleam, a mirage of laughter, a daytime dream. The ponies prance, their manes aglow.